The first thing I do, I have to read a script, and often if it's somebody new, go in and meet with them, and I'm auditioning myself, unless somebody offers me a job, which happens now. So I read the script. You really kind of think of people for the different roles, and you discuss that with the creators, and you get a sense of their aesthetic, and they get a sense of mine. And a lot of times they're getting a sense of my aesthetic by the work I have done. After you get the job, you start with ideas of different people for different roles, checking on their availabilities. And if it's a big star, it would be an offer. But for everybody else, the working actors, what we do is put out something called the breakdown that goes out to the breakdown services that goes out to all the agents. It can be all over the world, all over the country. It could be just in New York, just in California. You pick where it goes. And then from that, you'll get thousands of submissions, and you kind of comb through those submissions along with your own ideas, and then conversations with agents, conversations with your showrunner. And from there, you start auditioning actors, and they come in and they read, and then there are often callbacks depending on the role. In a weekly television series, for instance, once it's up and running, there really are no callbacks. It's usually just the first, you're just auditioning actors. And then the last part of my job is negotiating the contracts with the agents. Unless it's a series regular role, then the business affairs from your studio negotiates the deal with the agent or the lawyer. But Sherry Thomas and I, we get very involved with that stage in order to make sure the deal closes, because it is my job to make the showrunner happy and get them the choice that they want, and I don't want it to fall apart during negotiations. So many casting directors don't do that, but we get very involved so that when we can see something's going to fall apart, we can jump in there and make sure it doesn't go away, especially if that's who you want.